Rosak TV lah. Superman tutup. Oh, tak ada. Hari ni kita main Fears to Fathom Northwood Edge Hike. Ini adalah episod 2. Kalau episod 1 tu kita main dah. Episod 1 tu adalah Home Alone. Jangan risau, episod 1 tak sambung pun dengan episod 2. Home Alone tu tak sambung pun dengan Northwood Edge Hiking ni. Okay je, kita mula. Fears to Fathom episod 2 Northwood Edge Hike, June 16. This happened to me when I was 19. I'm a little over 21 now. I still remember this very clearly because of how creeped out I feel. I was a bit hesitant to write this out for the internet at first, but getting it out may help, even if just a little bit. I was one of those people that love gaming convention. I go to every convention I get the chance to, and sometimes even meet some of my online friends. Though my parents were always staring at the idea of me going on interstate drives, but a plane ticket won't be too expensive. The convention I was at went great, and it was now the day to drive back home. But when I set off, I soon realized the traffic was horrible. I decided that I will take the long way to avoid the traffic. It was a little over 12-hour drive. Okay, dia tepi dah. Tepi dah kat convention tu. Dia nak cuma nak balik lah. Highway jam. Kita dah kereta. Lebok. Space sikit out. Bawa. Oh, kita bawa. Jaga. Dah block. Oh, kena. Ada orang teks pula. Baca je lah. Kena berhenti tu. Kita berhenti tepi. Tutup. Berhenti. Aiden Williams. Kita tengok atas. Pepek apa? Discord. We got text. So I will see if I can get the car. Let you know. Friendly. Going to take Milo on a walk lot. Air lot. Oh, ada kecil. Hell yes. Wait, you are getting the car? Yup. Big girl. You sure Ash can come? I will get the skateboard too. Saw this really cool skate park nearby. Sound fun. Discord. Where are you? Almost there. I don't see you. T-shirt. It was fun. I have a good time. Thanks for joining me. Can you sure driving all the way back? I don't really have a choice now, do I? Could have left tomorrow morning. Okay, give me a call when you reach back to your cave. Okay, Dad. Not sure if it will be this lifetime though. What do you mean? Stuck in the biggest traffic jam of the country. That sucks. It's not too good here either. I think it's the people from the convention. That's it. I rerouting here. You got to what you got to. Okay. Kalau masuk kan punya lama macam kita bawa kereta. Dengan ada pokok tumbang dah. Dek, look that. Dek, Mrs. Block. Tak kena mati. Dah jalan slow lah. You got it, Dad. Eddie Williams. Anything else? Leave it now. Nah. See the gang. Leave it now. Drive safe, Holly. Where did you reach? Stay about 6 hours away from the city. Got stuck in the jam. Okay. Jom. Luncur. Minyak tak ada kan? Near halfway through the driving, I realised I was low on gas. Betul? Stesen minyak. Kita jalan lagi. Kena cari stesen minyak aku tahu kan. Stesen minyak di mana? Kacau betul. Orang nak bawa motor ni. Tengok jalan mati. Tak gila baca. Oh ni stesen minyak. Ciu, luncur. Duduk. Belajar lah. Okay. Ni tangki tak duduk belah mana. Tak patut pergi belah mana pun. Okay. Flashlight tak? Ya, ayah kata apa? Told you to take a dark flight. Oh holy, it's going be late when you reach back. Hope you are feeling alright. Okay, saya kena ubah itu tak? Okay, kita tak tengah-tengah ni. Kita tak tengah-tengah ni lagi. Takut orang masuk. Isi minyak ni buka ke tak? Tengok macam tutup lah. Oh, tu dah orang. Hello. Ni guna bank ni. Ma'am, can I get $10 on pump 2? Titik. You heading to the bridge by yourself? The bridge. The Northwood Valley Road, I mean. Not lot of the people head down there this time of the year. ... Be grateful. You got it. Wait, do you mean? For about a century now, many people have been going missing down there. Nah. And people who went looking for them never returned. Locals say the Northwood Valley monster have torn them up and hung them upside down on tree. Thank for gas. Thank for gas lah. Damn, ada orang hilang kok tempat tu. Okay, jom kita isi minyak. And one more thing. If you see a woman in a white or blue ground trying to get a ride, do not stop. Okay. Just step on the gas as hard as you can. Seperti dia. Some people said that she died in a car accident there on prom night. Some say that she seek vengeance after she was raped and murdered. Wow. Regardless, she out for blood. Whatever you do, never ever under any circumstance pick up a hitchhiker. Those people out there on the road putting their thumb out. They ain't what you think, ma'am. They just ain't. Okay. Jangan risau, aku akan berhenti. Mak, dia. Ollie, Mom, I don't know if you will find any shop at this hour, but we are out of dog food. So beli dog food pula. Could you get some for Milo? I will pay you back. Mak, lo yang pukul 9. Tak apa. Dog food lo. No, dalam kedai ni dah tanya lah. Ha? Makanan anjing tu. Macam makanan anjing pula. Macam tak ada kedai ni. Jom kelak. Isi minyak. I filled the tank and I was off the road again. $10 cukup lah. See my mum as I have to buy something for Milo from the store. Kau tak ada. Dia cari-cari. Dog food. Oh, tu belakang tu no. Mungkin lah. Ni. Ada? Pet. That will be $5, man. Pay. Okay, jom. Ada orang masuk kereta aku kan. Letak kat boot lah. Stop. Throw. Okay. Balik gitu lah. Tak tengok belakang ada orang tu. Bawa. Jom. Perjalanan perlu diteruskan. Sekarang ni Amerika kena bawa belah kanan. Bring on the road, you do realize a thing. Monster truly do exist. Okay. And every single one of them looks just like you and me. Oi. Lampu. Apa lampu? Gelap banyak. Lampu. Oh, tak mau berhenti. Aku tak mau berhenti. Memperpikan amok. Patah depan tu ingat aku buat apa lah. Bagi lampu kat dia. Tapi aku nah. Belah pula. Lagi rosak ah. Tapi tikut atas tu. Lacu lah atas tu. Hilang. Kelam tu. Main berkelik-kelik pula lampu ni. Saya buat segen kuning potong tu. Dia kata jangan, kalau ada orang nak minta tumpang jangan berhenti. Kita tak minta. Kalau ada orang kita buat teras. Oh, dan batu. Oh, dia titi ni kan. Norwood. Dia buat car hijack pasang. Tak ada apa pun. Buang lah aku tu. Dia tipu lah. Ada. Arnab. Yang Arnab saja mah. Oh tu titik naik, kita naik ni. There is very weird thing. Oi, 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 kayu, makan ni. Berik tak makan gila. Get out. Tengok mod text apa. Okay, it's not expired, alright. Okay. Ni kena ubah lah. Jangan dia orang naik kat kereta aku dah masa aku bawa. Tak gila. Hei, naik balik. No, dua-dua aku nak bawa. Baik betul apa ni. Dah tepi ni apa je tadi, aku takut lah. Okay tu habis dah. Boleh dah. Ni macam tak boleh lah. Boleh. Tak ada orang. Okay, masuk. Bro, betul. Apa macam ni kat aku? The car won't start back up. Lepas tu macam mana? Radio siaran pula. And just like that, I was stranded in the middle of nowhere with no phone service. Nah. Wait. But I would be lying if I say I did feel like it. Don't mean to me, this sound like a child or story. Nak baca pun tak hati lah. Throughout my life, I was told not to take ride from the stranger. But at that moment, I had no choice. I was scared to think how long it would take for someone to pass. Ni kena kelak ah. Weh. Macam tu je. Dia skip masa. Lama gila dia tunggu. Okay, benar tak? Okay. Tahan. Oi, mati. Pure evil. Memang tak lah, dah mati. Macam mana? Kita tunggu lagi Okay, dia tunggu 20 minit. 20 minit. Ada ke tak? Ish. Oh tu. Mati. Tak memputi bunga. Oi. Nah, bro. Betul? Okay, dia mati. Jangan jalan. You are the girl from the gas station. Thank you so much for stopping. What are you trying to do out here? Mega. I can call for help. There's no phone service. You think I can get around? Where you heading to? Just up the road. Just the nearest stop where I can call for help. Okay. Hop in. Hurry up, just throw it in the back. I won't be here. Boy. kena ambil barang. Tak mau ambil It's not safe to get out here. Oh, kena ambil barang. Tunggu. Aku ambil barang. Dua saya dah berhenti pun jauh. Mundok lah sikit. Skateboard anjing. Aduh. I'm done. Okay. Friendly, now hop in. Be quick. Okay. Takut aku ni boleh percayai ke tak? Tak boleh dipercayai boy. So you won't tell me who you are, where are you going? I rather not say every okay. I was driving home. Ya lah, aku balik rumah. That piece of crap broke down. Jensen. My name is Jason. Okay. Nice to meet you, Jason. You are really lucky I have to be on this side of the town tonight. I must say you are one brave young woman. What is that supposed to mean? You got any clue what happened to your car back there? I don't know. It's never broke down on me like that ever before. It is my dad's. It's pretty old. Atau lama. So what do you think about what he told you back at the gas station? I did listen. Sorry, he really creeped me out. Interesting. Idiot test that to every person travel down here. Lebok laju tinggi ke cik? Oh, dia ada dua gear. Oh, ada dua tombol gear. Lek. Tak percaya lagi ni. Aku sendiri jahat tau. Tengok. Boleh horn? Tak boleh horn? Kita tengok ada. Jauh lagi kocik nak sampai. Jauh betul. Boleh bawa laju sikit lah. Oh je ke ni? Betul yang belum nak rosak. Bawa laju sikit tak boleh ke? Lama dah ni. Oh, 28 minit. After a little bit of small talk, he dropped me by a hotel. Apparently, they offer roadside assistance. Besides, I thought I could use a little rest. Be grateful, there are all kind of people out there, he said ominously before leaving. Okay. Baik rupanya. Tapi lama juga. Lama bawa tu. Oh ni. Tu terak. Dia bercakap dengan dia. Hello. This man was putting out the creepiest vibe imaginable. Girl need a room to check up for the night. Yes, I'm going. Tanya lah. $40 for single. Mahal lah. Pay. Room number 9. Remember, right? Room number 9. Right over there. Okay. Talk about the car. $90. Tommy will take care of it thing in the morning. Boleh pagi ya. I will let Tommy know. And one last thing. Try not to wake the other guests. They might not take very nicely to it. Okay. Di bilik kita. Jom. Di bilik. Seram ke belakang. Lah pintu ni buka belah mana? Bang aku tak ambil. Too low catch. Mana bilik nombor 9? Kopi. Oi. Opsi. Jangan marah, silap. Okay, kopi ya. Kita sampai dah bilik nombor 9. It was nice and warm inside. Tutup pintu, kunci. Tak, ni kunci. Dia gendap lagi. Jadi dia orang check aku. Bro, where you at? You dad call me. Okay, mom. Oli. Sleep there. Kena cari tilam. Tilam di mana? Oi. Dia mate. Naik tinggi pasang. Aku tak sembunyi sekali. Kena sembunyi dengan orang. Kosong TV ya. Superman tutup. Oh, tanda. Ui. What are you doing here? You scared the crap out me. I should be asking you. What were you doing here? I'm Tommy, room service here at Roadway Inn, the finest stop over in Northwood. Terkejut punya pasal nak baca tak boleh. You know, cleaner stuff. Okay. I'm going have to ask you to step outside while I make the room. Baru dia ni. Tak guna dia.
Okay.
Cik tu. Tu. Lepas ambil barang kita. Yeah, ada tilam pun. Tutup lah, tutup sini lah. Ada lagi barang. Cakap dengan dia dulu. Has a word with Joe about the situation. What is wrong with these people? Mercy. But don't you worry, it's safe here. I go get your car. And also the room phone is not working. If need anything, just ask at the front desk. We have been trying to get it fixed, but we have been seeing enough gas lately. But you have a good night today. Good night. Keluar. Dia boleh duduk sengak ada tanda. Waktu dia pergi ambil kereta kita. Baliknya kita lena. Ada orang tengok. for sight, but there was something very off about the place. Bangun. Tu, bawa barang lu. Kau nak yang gendak susah kau letak. Ya, aku rasa ada orang cuba buka lah tadi. Betul kan? Ya, apa ni? Tak apa kan? Ni nak bawa tidur balik. It won't sleep anymore. Only office could help me stay up. Office kopi. Ish. Dia kena pergi beli kopi lah. Kopi duduk kat mana? Itu. Sini rumah apa? Rumah lama lah. Bangunan lama. Bye. Kesum. Kita tengok. What the hell? Apa jadi? Dia balik pick kat dalam bilik. Ada apa lah dalam kopi tu? Masuk. Pening lah. Close the door. Tak boleh baca tag lah. Tidak. Ada aku rasa ada buah apa dalam kopi mesin tu. Aku dah tahu. 3:18 AM. I was liquidated. Dia orang telefon. Kau ada telefon masuk kan? Tadi kata telefon masuk. Dia ada orang ke lah kita tengok. Duduk. Tu. Aku belajar dari satu kesilapan. Jangan buka pintu tengah malam. Beruah dia. Ada orang tengok TV kan tu. Cappuccino. Kita beli cappuccino pula. Nampak macam sedap sikit kan. Konsum. Dia gila balik lah. Aku pening lah. Semua jadi invert controller. Kali ni kita pergi buka pintu depan, jangan pergi sembunyi. Macam orang gila. Arah ada orang sembunyi dalam closet gila. Apa lagi awal sembunyi? Oh tengok, ada orang sembunyi. Aku pergi buka tu Oh ni boleh buka pintu. Who is it? Joe from the desk. Open the door. Open door. Oh dah Joe nak apa? Did I specifically tell you? Do not wake anyone up. I have complained about you making all those goofy noise for. Whatever it is, just keep it down, miss. Mesin kopi je man. Apa mesin kopi je. Are you missing with me? It's right over there. Follow me. Okay. Here I heard enough for you. Crazy goons here. For once I thought we had a sober guest, but I guess I'm the crazy one here. I hate my job. Jom. Tak main ikut tak? Tu ikut. Slow ikut. Kopi. Kelam. Dah ada flashlight tak tau. Bro, hilang. Sini, cepat. Go back to the room. I swear to God it was real. I said go back now. Aku rasa ada orang letuk kot. There should be some medication in your room that should offer some relief. Check the table by the telly. Okay. Dia aku nampak lah tadi. Aku rasa ada orang letuk situ gila aku. Mesin kopi tu. Ada orang dalam closet tu. Require water. Kita minum air. Buka pintu. Sinki mana? Oh ni Sinki tak nampak bang. Kita makan dah ubak. Haram je kontu tadi. Munyi tadi ya. Oh kajak. Temu tidak. Korang ada orang merah. No. Aku dengar orang cakap pun. Ada orang cakap. Nak gendak.
Hello?
Hah? Kau sembunyi ni. Tak ada orang lah kali ni. Hello? Tak ada siapa. Tu ada lah. Tu nak kepala dia sikit. Dia?
Hello?
Betul lah. Lah. Sembunyi. Kau kena pergi jawab tak? Jangan buka pintu. Who's there? Please open the door. I need help. What do you want? I need your help, please. Please open the door. Do not. Jangan buka dia type anjur. I know you are in there. Pak. Oh, kena cakap lagi dengan dia. Aduh, aku tunggulah. Please leave. I just need to talk to you. I swear I'm not a cop. Please go away. I'm going to call the cops. Sembunyi. Dia masuk. Jo. Oh, kena berbual dengan Jo, pasang. To this day, I find it really weird that the manager interfered not to get police involved, as it will have affect motel reputation and let go the station. I believe that the town could been home to court or drug ring. Possibly something even worse. Tommy arrived with the car after what I feel like a year. I never went on long trip again. I would always take a airplane. Naik kapal terbang lah lepas ni. Aduh. Wow. Setelah semenit ada orang jadi kena kat orang. Aku rasa manager tu sekali aku rasa. Okay, dah habis dah total episod 2. Gila dia. Okay, sampai sini je kot untuk hari ni. Kita akan sambung lagi pada episod seterusnya. Okay, bye-bye.